Oh, you dropped one.
Just eat it now.
I'll take them all out the pack.
Yeah.
You gotta chew them.
Milo, move.
Bird's eye chilies, here we come. Look at them all. Let's let me have a look. Oh yeah.
Wait there, but I gotta grab them all by the stems. Let me turn them all round. Have you got enough time?
Yeah, of course I have, man. My name's Luke Lee.
Bad end.
My name is...
That's
no,
not
what's
That's not
it?
going to work.
Oh yeah.
See them bad boys?
Go on, you fucking Edda.
I dare you.
I'm gonna do it.
He's
You're
got
gonna
it. I
cry.
swore down on my...
You're going to cry your fucking eyes out.
I know. I'm gonna cry like a girl. Ready?
Oh, fuck off. Oh, fuck off, Jake.
Chew 'em. Chew 'em. Show me in me tongue. You gotta swallow.
Jake's just put 8 in his mouth. 8.
No, it was about 12.
No, there weren't 12 left in him.
Roughly.
No, there weren't. Oh,
Now swallow.
Not bad until I swallowed. No, I gotta chew all the seeds up. That's the worst bit, is the seeds.
Oh.
Just to make a point. Where's the bag gone? Oh, sorry. Ah! Bird's eye chilies. Ah! Ah! Swallow!
Oh, you're going to fucking die, you stupid cunt.
You swallowed yet?
Jake, when you have a shit, you're going to die. Your mouth looks like it's been in. Jake, your tongue looks like it's been
You swallowed?
Oh, how's it making you sick? Is that fucking hot? How?
Go on, drink the water, it makes you worse.
No, milk, Jake. Do my point. It doesn't. No, it doesn't. It doesn't make it worse. It makes it worse, but you can try if you want. If it makes you feel better. Jake,
Yep.
obviously, you can try if it makes you feel better.
Goodness rings thing.
I can't breathe. Look at my eye.
Look at his vein in his forehead.
Look at my
Look at
eyes.
your vein. Look at your vein. Look at his vein in his forehead.
Look, get off. It's fucking wind.
I know. Those veins. Those creamy veins. Oh, fuck.